So my aircraft was involved in an incident in 2021 where Boeing Stearman landed on top of it and did extensive damage to it. And my goal is to rebuild Alpha Golf better than you, so she can fly again. My aeroplane was coming back from its annual inspection. My friend Stefan was flying it and he landed it at Dunkeswell, which is about 5 miles from here. A Boeing Stearman was also in the circuit that neither aircraft was aware of each other, and the Boeing Stearman landed on top of my aircraft Golf, Oscar Mike Alpha Golf. You can see it's done extensive damage to the fuselage and to the wings as well. And because I'm sentimentally attached to the aircraft, I want to restore it. So I got hold of Solid Print a couple of months ago to see if they could help with, my initial plan was to buy a cheap scanner and do some scanning in order to build basically a jig, and that's what I need to build in order to repair the fuselage. We have to fix 11 points in space around the fuselage, and the repair is done around those. So I've got my airframes from Texas, which are structurally perfect, and I've got mine, which is obviously crushed. So the idea is to use the scan to build a jig so that I can carry out the repair. And so I'm using 3D scanning as a shortcut to making a jig, I guess. The 3D scanner is absolutely amazing. Blown away by how quickly it worked in the speed mode, and the detail is just perfect. I couldn't ask for a better product. Brilliant, and much more accurate than I need to build the frame. So hopefully that's going to save a lot of effort. So the very next step is to get the wings off to Bournemouth, have them rebuilt so they'll be better than new, corrosion proof throughout. And once we've done that, we'll look at mending the fuselage. Just want to say I'm truly grateful for you guys coming down and doing this for me. It's been really cool to see the equipment and see how well it works. And if I was in the market for a scanner of this, I don't think I'd find a better level of service from any other company in the UK. So thanks guys for coming down and doing that.